Deanna Troy Travels here in Tokyo, Japan, and we're about to go to the famous Memory Lane, or Piss Alley. It's famous for food, for drinking, for fun. Let's go! We are trying to find a really good ramen place to eat because we heard that is the specialty here. All the places are really crowded, so we're still looking. Any more?
I drank it really fast.
How do you say? What's your name?
That's all. What is your name?
Yeah. Perfect. One more. Anata no namae wa Hello This is definitely a good spot to check out. Come early because it closes a little bit early, but you'll have fun. Alright everyone, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to Deanna Troy Travels for more travel videos every week. Bye! Wait, before you go, I wanted to tell you a bit about this street's past, because yes, it's famous for food and drinking, but it also has a cool history behind it. This alley was established in 1946, directly after World War II. Black market vendors on the street sold items for cheap that were being rationed or illegal after the war, including innocent items like household goods and food supplies, but also items like alcohol and cigarettes. This area became known as a mixture of a speakeasy and a place of resources and hospitality for those struggling post-war. Although it was reconstructed after a fire in 1999 and given the modern name of Omoide Okocho, or Memory Lane, it was rebuilt to look and feel exactly like the late 1940s, while also maintaining its culture of great foods and prices. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more Tokyo videos, then click the links to your right. See you later on Deanna Troy Travels.